Imagine a production line that runs perfectly on Monday. But by Wednesday, everything is much more unpredictable. Your ERP says everything is on schedule. Your MES shows no alarms. Your QMS says the process is compliant. But something on the shop floor has changed, and none of your systems can see it. That's because the systems you rely on weren't built to capture the moment that matters most, the execution layer. The real-world human actions, checks and adjustments that decide whether the job is done right. These tiny decisions, the ones that never reach your ERP or MES, are the ones that determine quality, consistency, and compliance. When you capture the execution layer data, everything becomes visible. Productivity increases. Human error falls. Compliance becomes provable. Training accelerates. Traceability is instant. Wastage is reduced. And with real execution data, your factory becomes truly AI ready. Grounded in the full truth, not half the picture. The execution layer has always determined your results. Now, you can finally see it.